Ladies and gentlemen, today, I'm excited to introduce you to a revolutionary new technology that is unlike anything you've ever seen before. It's a browser that not only allows you to surf the web but also allows you to earn Bitcoin effortlessly while doing so. This game-changing technology is called Cryptotab. Cryptotab is the first browser with a built-in mining algorithm. That means while you're browsing the web, you're also earning Bitcoin. It's that simple. And what's great about Cryptotab is that it requires no complex setup or technical knowledge. Anyone can use it and start earning Bitcoin in just a few clicks. I know what you're thinking, Steve, is this even real? Can you really earn Bitcoin just by browsing the web? The answer is yes, you absolutely can. Cryptotab has already paid out over $2 million in Bitcoin to its users. That's right, $2 million. And this is just the beginning. What's great about Cryptotab is that it offers a passive income stream that requires very little effort. It's the perfect opportunity for those who are new to cryptocurrency to dip their toes in the water and start earning Bitcoin without any investment. And what's more, Cryptotab uses advanced security features to protect your data and mining profits. Your privacy and security are our top priority. So if you're looking for an easy way to earn Bitcoin in a browser that offers unparalleled security and privacy features, then Cryptotab is the browser for you. I encourage you to give it a try and experience the future of browsing and earning Bitcoin. Thank you.